We are often asked to pay money, like a deductible or estimated payment before we see our doctor, and sometimes we may end up paying more than what we actually owe. This morning, one viewer is asking Amy, who can help, to get her money back from a doctor that's not returning her calls or messages. Amy has what you should know before your next visit and what to do if you need help now.
Yeah, that's right, Sophia. Insurance deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket expenses, those can all get really confusing. And it's why many of us just pay the doctors what they say we owe and move on. But if that's you, you could be leaving hundreds of dollars on the table. Now more than ever, many doctors and insurance policies require that payment at the time of your office visit. And you have to follow up to find out if you paid too much once all those payments clear. If you did, sometimes it's difficult and a hassle to get your money back.
Consumer Rachel Swift emailed me. She says her doctor refuses to return my phone calls and messages and, quote, they owe me $200. Is there a board to report a doctor's office for failing to comply? The good news is that now there are several laws that can help you get your money or more pricing information from your doctor. SB 490 requires hospitals to provide itemized bills to their patients after services are provided. This can also help if you're owed money. And SB 1731 gives facilities and doctors 30 days to issue patient refunds once they're brought to their attention. Rachel, you can file a complaint with the Texas Medical Board. On this online complaint form, you want to just click the drop-down menu to check that you are filing a billing dispute. There's also the No Surprises Act. This federal law went into effect in 2022 and protects you from unexpected out-of-network medical bills. If you don't have or use health insurance, providers must give you a good faith estimate of what your care will cost. You may be able to dispute your bill if it's at least $400 more than the estimate. But you can also get help if you think the doctor owes you money. You can call the National No Surprises Help Desk if you believe your doctor or insurance company is not following billing rules. And we have that toll-free number for you on click2houston.com. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says 80% of medical bills contain an error. So you should ask for a copy of your bill and look for duplicate or incorrect charges. If you overpaid, first try working with the doctor's billing office to get a refund. But if they don't respond, then work your way up to the other resources we've mentioned.
Now, HIPAA also requires overpayments be returned within 60 days of you notifying your doctor. If there is an overpayment you don't know about, after a few years, it could be sent to the Texas Comptroller's office. And then that's where you can search those records on the state's unclaimed property website. You should do that every once in a while, just in case. We put the direct links for this on click2houston.com, along with more information on all of those bills and the resources that we mentioned.
Yeah, I'm constantly checking just to make sure.
Yeah.
There's not money that's owed to me
I need the money. Right. Send it to me.
That's our money. Yeah, we want it back. All
yeah,
right.
exactly.